Hello, we are back. This is the Microsoft Build live stage with our last guest of the night. Probably one of the most exciting things that we saw. How are you? Why don't you introduce yourself?
Great. I'm Elaine Chang. I'm a senior program manager at Microsoft, leading the development and customer success for Bot Framework.
Fantastic. So when I heard Bot Framework originally, I'm just like, oh, Bot Framework, you type in, blah, blah, blah. But it turns out that you work with a very special customer, and they were featured in 2 keynotes already.
That's right.
And they also have something in the Azure AI area in the hub. I think that's what it's called, in the hub. And it's BMW.
Yes.
Tell us what they're doing.
So BMW, an iconic brand, is building their own intelligent personal assistant that's branded BMW. So they're using Azure AI service, specifically Microsoft Virtual Assistant Solution Accelerator, that's built on Bot Framework and cognitive services.
And that's fantastic, right? Because I feel like there's a lot of bots and there's a lot of, why would a company, for example, let's just say I make a new company, it's never going to be like BMW, but let's just say I'm a new company, CMW. Why would I want to build my own experience like that? And why did BMW do that?
That's a very good question. So there's 2 unique reasons that I'd like to share. So the first one was the key point that actually Satya talked about in his vision keynote. The strategic importance of every business of building their own conversational canvas. So one of the key considerations for any consumer brand today is making sure that they are in control of their own branded user experience.
Got it.
So the brand association of what happens in a BMW car has to remain with BMW. That's the core of the value proposition. And the second one is really they not only have the control of the user experience, but also their own data.
I see. So it's not just about everyone needs that, but you can create your own custom experience, your own customer experience with their own data, and you're able to do it in a way that helps your own customers.
That's right.
So how does IBM, I'm thinking acronyms, how does BMW build this brand experience and how does it show up in their personal? Because obviously for each kind of technology or for each kind of use case, it's going to be different.
Yep.
What does it look like for BMW?
So for BMW, that's exactly the car demo they showed in Scott Catherick's technical keynote. So they showed 3 examples, which are the 3 key scenarios of how BMW's intelligent personal assistant show up in their own experience that's enabled by the Bot Framework solution. So the first one is enable BMW to have their own personality in the assistant's response. For example, you can ask, why is the sky blue? It will tell you a BMW just looks best underneath the blue sky.
Oh, nice. Which is true.
Yes, yes. And actually, to be very specific for build, BMW actually personalized some answers specific for build. So you can ask questions like, hey, Joy, how do you like build? So try it out when you are in the booth. So enabling that kind of personality is very important for BMW. And that's kind of enabled by our QnAMaker service.
I just love that you call it joy.
Yeah, that's one of the custom words that they use.
And so their word is, hey, Joy, and it's like, you're talking about your BMW.
Yeah, you can personalize other custom vehicles as well.
Oh, so I would just leave it. I mean, Joy, you were going to say, sorry.
So that's the first scenario that showed up. The second one that they showed in the BMW car demo was the productivity skill powered by Microsoft Graph. So they said, what's on my calendar? What's on my schedule? So that's using the calendar skill out of box that we built in the Microsoft Virtual Assistant solution. They also use the email and to-do skill that's also in our solution. So that's really the power of Microsoft's Graph in the works, right?
And that's amazing, right? Because imagine I'm already driving my BMW because maybe I made it in life. I don't drive a BMW. I have lots of kids, so I have those instead. So imagine I'm driving my BMW, and I'm like, holy cow, I forgot that I had to do this and that. You can literally say, hey, Joy, can you remind me to blah, blah, blah? And that's putting it into my calendar and using the Microsoft Graph.
Yes, that's exactly the scenario. And the third one is actually letting BMW to build their own BMW-specific skill, like the intelligent service scheduling. So this is showing a custom skill is also very easy to be built using our solution. This is super important for BMW because they can enrich their user experience by integrating the additional information they know about the car and then they know about the driver.
And so let me see if I understand. That's like the car needs to be serviced, and and it's an intelligent servicing solution.
Yes.
So I'm like, hey, can you schedule to change my oil?
Yes, yes, yes.
And that's what it does?
That's exactly what it does.
Man, my car would never break down. I'm so terrible at doing normal things. I'm
Yes.
so sorry. Maybe some of you are. But imagine being able to tell your car, hey, Joy, can we schedule? I'm coming close to Fu Miles. Can we schedule an appointment? And it's going to go through BMW's Skill, which I'm assuming goes to their dealerships or wherever, and it tells
exactly. Yes, watch the Scott Guthrie keynote.
No, I did, but I must have missed that part.
Yes.
But that's pretty amazing.
Yes.
I mean, that brings up a lot of opportunities for people with doing anything. And I always thought like of a chatbot as like something that you type into, but you're seeing more personalized experience that you can do that kind of thing. So tell me more about the Virtual Assistant Solution Accelerator. That's something you mentioned.
Yeah.
And I want to make sure to hit that up so people knew about that. What is that?
So Bot Framework, Azure Bot Service, and Cognitivist, together they offer the most comprehensive experience of building bots or virtual assistant. Then we package the best practice of building virtual assistant into an open source solution. That's a Virtual Assistant Solution Accelerator.
I see.
And then we stitch, it's built on Bot Framework, and then we stitch together a number of Azure services, such as Azure Bot Service, Language Understanding Service, QnAMaker, Speech Services, and Azure Map for point of interest skill, Application Insights and Power BI for analytics, and also Microsoft Graph for all the productivity skills. So you can see it's really stitching together a lot of them to help developers to accelerate the development.
So it's basically a way of gathering like the bot framework plus a bunch of other things into like, here's a package.
Right.
Here's another, you could use that.
Yes, and then it's special because it then enables customers to build your own branded assistant, have your own assistant name, voice, personality, all aspects of the brand, and then in complete control, not only in your user experience, but also your data.
And that's the coolest part. I feel like a lot of the cool stuff that I've seen today organizes my life. And these assistants is a really good example of it that organizes, I have stuff in my calendar, I have stuff in my car, I have stuff in my family, and it been able to get all three of them is pretty powerful.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, anything else you want to add about this?
So the solution is available in both C# and TypeScript. And we also have it in 6 languages: English, Chinese, German, Spanish, Italian, and French.
Oh, that's amazing. I mean, that's a lot.
Yes.
So basically, if those of you that are watching out there are like, hey, I want to make one of these too, and maybe you're starting the CMW company, you could totally do the same sort of thing with the Virtual Assistant Solution Accelerator today. All right, so we've talked a lot about this stuff. You talked about skills a little bit.
Mm-hmm.
Can you tell me what the skill is? Because you mentioned something about a custom skill that BMW, but maybe I'm not too sure what that means.
Yes,
what does that mean?
yes. So virtual assistant often come together with a mix of customer domain-specific conversations or common concepts. So with skills, we enable developers to be able to compose conversational experience by stitching together the reusable conversational capabilities. So the skills are actually themselves bots. You can enable them, invoke them remotely. And then in the current release, we actually have the preview of calendar tasks to do, calendar tasks and the email, the productivity skills. We have the point of interest skills. And then we have the automotive skill, and also some new experimental skills. And skills basically include language understanding models, dialogues, and also integration code that's in the source code form. So customers, developers can customize or extend as they wish.
I see. So if I'm understanding this right, and maybe correct me if I'm wrong, a skill is basically like a sub chatbot that knows about weather, for example, or email or tasks. And you say, let me just include that in there, and all of a sudden those conversations are integrated with.
Yes.
Oh, I got it right.
Mm-hmm.
Fantastic. So I'm really excited to do this because look, I have known about the bot framework for a long time, but I feel like I've never dived into it because I feel like I need to see.
It's
I'm really
your time now.
now it's like she's like, yeah, you got to get it now. So why don't you? Do you have something to show me?
Yes,
so that I
have
can
the
see,
demo.
so you can help me get started with this. Okay.
Yes, I will show you how easy it is to build actually a good virtual assistant using our virtual assistant template, and I will show you that it uses our tools, comprehensive tools, end to end.
Awesome, and we got about 5 minutes, and I bet it'll take that much. Let's go. Let's see what we got.
So let's just take C# as an example. So after you download and install the virtual assistant template.
All right, let's go to the screen so people can see this, because I want to make sure they can see what's going on here. Okay, there we go.
So after you download and install the templates, you can just easily do new project and select the virtual assistant template, and you basically get all the source code, including the language model. As you can see that I have a lot here in the 6 different languages, and also including the Q&A, which include the FAQ, and also the chit chat.
Yeah, I literally have no excuse because I saw there that you had the virtual assistant and you had the skill if you wanted to build like a sub thing. Okay, cool.
Yes, so on this, in the deployments folder, we have scripts that basically automate your deployment in your own Azure subscription with all the Azure services that you need to use.
Okay.
So all you do is basically using the deploy.pse file.
And that just comes.
And then that just automatically in 10 minutes does all the different magics. Then you have a working virtual assistant that you can run right away in Bot Framework Emulator.
And the emulator is something that's running locally?
Yes, I will show you.
Okay, cool. Okay.
And then next, then we give you the PowerShell to add the additional skills. For example, in this one, you just specify which assistant you are adding the skill to and point to the manifest URL.
So just to be sure, these PowerShell scripts come with the template.
Yes.
Because I'm looking at the way you named it, and it's like my build virtual assistant 1, which is like everyone has like my C# project 27, right? And so she's got so I can tell that was like generated automatically.
Yes. So you basically just add the skill. Following this, I'm just show you how easy it is. Like basically 1 or 2 minutes, you add 1 skill, and then easily add all the out-of-box skills. And then we give you a skill template. So you can basically do a new project skill template. You're able to create your own skill and stitch it to the virtual assistant. Then this is the Bot Framework Emulator. Then I will show you how the out-of-box skill will be able to use like this.
All right, let's take a look. I'm loving this because, look, I had this epiphany today when I was watching the keynote. I was like, wait a minute. Like a chatbot is like the new window for the next generation. Remember when Windows came out and like Windows was like the window was the most novel thing, and then we put stuff in there and programming evolved from that? I feel like the chatbot is like the new, or chat is like the new window where we can do stuff.
Yes.
And I love being able to see this. So we're going to show, sorry, I pontificated a little bit.
So I mean, like, this is the kind of a simulation, a test emulator that you can test, but you can also test it with voice. That's also all the different conversation experiences, right? So for example, you can do easily to Q&A, and then you will see that this is actually pointing to the Q&A that's already connected with the virtual assistant.
That's cool.
You can do what's on my calendar tomorrow. So you can see this is handing off to the calendar skill, and then it's actually grabbing my token because I've already logged in and return the calendar in adaptive card. So this styling is also easy for developers to customize.
No excuse, people. Like I literally feel like she came to tell me, Seth, build your thing. Okay.
Yes. So then you can say also send an email to Alex. So what this does is actually going through your graph and see, okay, who is Alex? And then this actually retrieve maybe the most recent one that you have talked to and ask whether this is the one you are doing. And then you say yes. And then do you want another? No. And then you can say, okay, what's the subject? Build is awesome. And then, okay, what's the message? You can say, check out the BMW car. And then like this will give you a preview of the email, and then basically you're just sending it. So how easy is that, right? So imagine that interaction is very natural. And then similarly, you can say, remind me to plan checkpoint review. That's how easy it is to add a task.
I mean, this is really cool.
Right. And then I will show you the integration also with Azure Map.
All right, let's see it.
Point of interest. So if you do find a coffee shop, so this will ask me an address. Okay, Pike Street, Seattle.
Yeah, and this is where we are about roughly right now.
Yeah, right. So then you see this is powered by Azure Maps, and then find you the particular address for you. And if I pick this one, it will find the coffee shop around here. And then this is powered by Foursquare and giving us the business hour, the rating all of this. And if you pick this one, it will actually give you the route to that, right?
That's really cool.
Right? And now I will show you another experimental skill is our news skill. So
Okay.
you can say, show me the latest news. And they will ask you which topic. Okay, so let's say build conference. So this is using the experimental skill and retrieve the latest news on build.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah, the last one I will
Okay,
show
okay.
you is what's the weather in Seattle.
Here we go. And I love that you can see like
Yes.
what it's doing on the side, right?
Yes, so this is the, giving all the looks and actually show you this in adaptive card. So then the last one that I will quickly show you is that we also give you comprehensive analytics solution out of box. So make it easy to set up, log the data in the application insights, and then give you a visualization such as Power BI to not only give you the usage insights, but also the conversation quality, and then so you can diagnose, where was the issue, and be able to improve the conversation and improve the product experience.
Well, this has been absolutely amazing. We ran out of time. I mean, yeah, you have one more thing?
This is the final.
Got it. Got it.
So get started in aka.ms bot framework.
That's exactly what I was going to ask. Like, where can people go to find out more?
Yes, that's where the GitHub is, and also our product homepage is botframework.com.
Fantastic. Well, thanks so much. This has been so amazing. I feel like I've been called to repentance. That does it for day one of Microsoft Build Live. Don't worry, though. There's still 2 more days of live streaming content coming to you. We'll be back bright and early tomorrow morning, beginning at 8:30 a.m. Pacific, starting off the day, learning about new things in AKS with Scott Hanselman. Just because today is over doesn't mean the tweets or questions have to stop. Continue to tweet at us using the hashtag MSBuild. As always, all of his content, including sessions and keynotes, will be posted on demand. We're going to leave you with a sizzle of best moments from the day on behalf of Microsoft. Thanks for watching, and see you tomorrow.